Yes, good morning. This is Jomar Gregorio and this video ay papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang loob ng 7-figure networker, yung Tagalog English video training modules na exclusive sa group lang namin. So, let's log into the site. As I've said on my previous email, sinasabi ko na you'll get this free membership for free. Pero kailangan nyo mag-join sa team namin, which is 7-figure mastermind group. So the only way to do that is to join our Santi team. And kung naka-receive kayo ng email ko, makikita nyo yung link ng site namin, which is My Barley Philippines. So if you're interested, you can already do that now, and punta kayo doon and then makikita nyo lahat ng information. So nandito na tayo sa back office ng ating exclusive training modules. So what we have here is marami tayong tab. So if you want to access yung marketing blueprint or the Taglish video training modules, pagka member ka na, gagawin ka na namin ng account dito, and then nakaka-login ka and then makikita mo to. So ito yung training modules natin. Yung gumawa nito is one of our leaders. His name is Atos Rosario. So let's see. So ito yung module 1. So medyo matagal siya mag-load, and let's wait for it. Okay, so ito yung video. So, ito yung exactly na makikita mo kapag nag-login ka sa site natin. And then as you can see, grabe yung knowledge na matutunan mo dito sa module 1 pa lang. Marami ka nang pwedeng matutunan about online MLM and how to generate leads for your MLM business, for our MLM business. So ang kagandahan pa nito is kapag natuto ka dito, pwede mo siyang gamitin to earn money online. Me and Atos Rosario is working from home since 2009. Internet marketer kami, and also a network marketer. So double purpose yung ginagawa namin. So yung tinuturo sa'yo dito is the sales process. And let's see the marketing blueprint module 2. So besides sa mga kuha mong free membership dito sa 7-figure mastermind group, yung free naman na makukuha mo sa online MLM explosion group will be the ebooks. So that ebooks will consist of 45 na ebooks about MLM. So bibigay ko sa inyo ng libre yon kapag na-join kayo. So let's go back to the module 2. So itong module na to is all about keywords. Okay, so pumunta tayo sa module last. Other modules. As you can see, yung kakaiba ng group natin is hindi kami nagtuturo ng traditional online, traditional tinuturo na apply natin na yung cold market, warm market, yung gusto ka ng list ng prospect mo, then musakal ka, mamlayers ka dyan sa daan, and kung ano-ano pang tinuturo sa atin. So yung tinuturo namin is the latest and cutting edge training na kailangan mo matutunan to successfully promote your business. So itong module naman na to is all about pay-per-click. Okay, so ito lang yung brief test drive ng kung ano yung laman ng 7-figure group, mastermind group. So kung gusto mong mag-join sa team namin, you need to do is pumunta ka sa mybarleyphilippines.com and click mo yung join our team, or if you're watching this sa YouTube, meron akong isasamang link dyan sa description, or if you're reading my email, kung binabasa mo pa yung email ko, i-click mo yung link nung naibibigay ko. So this is it. This is Jomar De Gregorio, and I hope that I can see you on our team. Bye.